all content creators, remote workers, crypto traders, gamblers, and even Oloshos will start paying tax by January 2026. This is made possible by the introduction of the new Nigerian Tax Act 2025. So if you fall under any of these categories, pay attention, listen, and understand. The first category there is content creators. So if you are resident in Nigeria, you are creating content and you are earning from platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and other social media platforms, you are expected to start paying tax by January 2026. And this is because the Act recognizes digital income and online monetization. Then the second category there is crypto traders. So if you are into cryptocurrency trading or business, you are expected to also start paying tax by January 2026. This is because the Act defines digital or virtual assets to include cryptocurrencies, tokens, NFTs, and others. Then the third category there is remote workers. So if you are working in Nigeria for a foreign company and your work is being done remotely, whatever income you gain from that employment will be subjected to tax, irrespective of the fact that you earned in a foreign currency. You will still be subjected to tax here in Nigeria, in as far the work is being carried out remotely. And the fourth category there is gamblers. So if you are into betting, whether with NigerBet, SportyBet, 1xBet, or any other betting platform, whatever money that you win that gambling will also be subjected to tax. And this is because the Act equally recognizes pricing and winnings from transactions involving digital or virtual assets. Then the last category there is those into private business, like the Oloshos or the higher form, which is hookup. Once you are into hookup or Olosho business, you are also expected to start paying tax by January 2026. And this is because the Act, in defining taxable persons, that is persons who can be subjected to tax, the Act didn't differentiate between income generated from legal or illegal or immoral activities. So the application is universal. In and so far you are rendering services for a fee, you will be subjected to pay tax, which brings along people who are into private businesses. So having understood all the categories of the new persons that have been introduced into our tax regime and expected to also start paying tax by January 2026, along other people who have already been paying tax, what do you actually think about this new tax act? Do you think it is progressive in terms of opening wider source of revenue generation for the government, or do you think this will cause more untold hardship on Nigerians considering the current economic situation in the country?